Hello guys, welcome to Texture Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix not eligible for the For You feed on TikTok. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your actual content is not AI generated. Once you have actually fixed that, that will actually fix also your problem. And if you have actually doesn't have AI generation on your video, you can head over right here to your profile, and then from in there, head over and click on these three lines. Click on the settings and privacy, and then from in there, scroll down until you can see the option for this report a problem. So click on this right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see this report a problem page, so you can choose which one is actually for you. So for this one, you can choose the one that actually describe what you have. So let's choose creation right here, and then in here, let's click on this posting videos, and in here it will open this. Click on this can post videos, and then in here, let's head over and click on this no, and then click on this need more help, and then on this case it will open the TikTok help desk. So just head over and send in here a message that will help you fix this, and they will reply to you within 3 to 5 working days. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.